Hey guys, Marvin here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are into fish keeping hobby, especially if you have just started, this video might be useful to you. This is the second algae scraper I got from Amazon. The first one I bought, I had to return it because it has a plastic handle that was very flimsy. After one use, the handle broke. So I got this. I've been using it for about 3 months now. It comes with a fiberglass handle, very strong and stiff. And it is a solid fiberglass, so no water will get inside and it will not develop like that, nasty odors. The length of the handle is 24.5 inches, as you can see in my 10-gallon breeder tank. Also has a little brush attachment inside the handle, which is really great for cleaning the corners near the silicone seal. And also you can use this to clean the pipes and hoses of the filter. If you notice as well, at the end of the handle there is a hook for easy storage, and you'll get 10 pieces replaceable blades, which is equivalent to 20 pieces because you guys can see that it's double-sided and reversible. Also come with a secure cover with rubber scraper that you can use as a gravel cleaner or rake, which is really great for shaping the aquarium substrate, gravel or sand. Also comes with 2 spare bolts and nuts, which is very thoughtful in my opinion. The blade is very easy to install using the supplied Allen key. I wish that it was a toolless installation, but it's okay, not a big deal, because you only replace the blade once in a while. And again, I had it for 3 months now and I'm still using the first blade and I haven't even reversed it yet, and it's still sharp as new. As you can see that the rubber blade holder is also a cover, which is very convenient and safe when installing the handle of the scraper. So the rubber blade actually really works. And here you can see me using the scraper with my 96-gallon cichlid tank, and it works really well because of the handle is made of carbon fiber material. And this is my 10-gallon tank in the garage. I use these to test and grow plants, and I haven't cleaned it for a long time, as you guys can see, so it is a good example to show you guys how effective this scraper works. Alright, so that's all for today, and if you guys wanted to check the scraper out, I will leave the Amazon link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.